Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for content calendar planning for 2025. Let's get started. First up, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free and easy. Having an account allows you to create and manage your content calendar in one centralized place. Next up, navigate to the calendar feature. This is where you can visualize your content schedule, making it easier to plan and organize your posts throughout the year. Now, let's add a new event to the calendar. Click on the date you want the content to go live and click New Event. Here, you can add the title of your content and any other details you want to remember. The reason we do this is to remind ourselves when each piece of content needs to be ready for publishing. This helps us because it keeps our content consistent and allows us to plan ahead, preventing last-minute rushes. Remember, consistency is key in content creation. Now that we've done that, let's plan out our content for the whole year. Don't worry, you can always change and adjust this later. But having a rough plan for your year can help you see the bigger picture and ensure you're covering a diverse range of topics. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. You're not just planning content, you're also creating a roadmap for your brand's narrative over the year, and that's powerful stuff. Next, you'll want to set reminders for each event. This is a nifty feature that sends you notifications prior to the content publishing date, so you don't overlook any important posts. Finally, share your calendar with your team. Collaboration is a vital part of content creation. By sharing your calendar, you ensure everyone is on the same page, reducing confusion and increasing productivity. And there you have it, a full year's content planned out and ready to go. Just remember, it's a flexible plan, so don't hesitate to make changes as needed. Thanks for joining me today. Keep creating, keep planning, and see you next time.